Ang langit ng bituin, ang hilamig pa ng hangin. Sa'yo't tingin ako'y nababaliw. Iniwat sa awitin kong itong kaibigan mo. Buhos ko ang buong puso mo. Para sa'yo. Soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. Here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. 'Cause I'm all alone without you. The days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Your love is like a sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside. I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold night. I just can't believe that Those years, I long to hold you in my arms. I've been dreaming of you every night. I've been watching all the stars that fall down, wishing you would be mine. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be here with forevermore. Time and again, there are these changes that we cannot let. Sure as the stars keeps going on and on, my love for you will be forevermore. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. As endless as forever, our love will stay together. You are all I need to be with forevermore. Forever, our love will stay together. You are all I need to be with forevermore.
Bigat. Banyo.
Ang hirap pa ikutin.
Yes! She said yes! Hindi ko na-record! Joke!
Magaling naman, no?
Kinahol kayo nung...
Guys, guys. Thank you.
Ay, paano patayin rin?
Congrats,
Ay, ito ulit!
Congrats, Brad.
Uy! Ito ulit!
Oh, patay. Hindi na save.